Live the iconic Venice, Florida lifestyle in this furnished pool home with one of the best locations on Venice Island. This newly listed home is on a quiet street only blocks away from the beach, downtown, shopping and dining, and it's not in a flood zone. Walk, ride your bike, or take your golf cart to the beach, Sharky's, Venice Fishing Pier, the Jetty, or to the restaurants and shops in historic downtown Venice. This large home has a fantastic modern floor plan with vaulted ceilings, a proper 2-car garage, 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms that are each tucked away in their own corners of the home, making for multiple guest suite options. There's an additional bonus room that leads out to a tropical backyard oasis. Enjoy the sparkling heated saltwater swimming pool and screened lanai with automated privacy shades. The large backyard has lush landscaping all around and is perfect for pets and for a quiet evening relaxing by the fire pit with a drink to watch the sunset. The new solar panels with battery are fully paid off and cover your electric bills, and you never have to worry about power outages. This furnished dream home is an island gem, and it's one of the best values you'll find for the location. Contact Josh Wilson today to schedule your showing, and stay tuned for a full video tour inside the home.